Hey guys, in this episode we find an absolute gem of a camp spot right on the banks of the huge alpine lake Pukaki. We have days and days of glorious sunshine and spend our time lazing around, kayaking, and I even catch a fish. We hope you enjoy this very special place and video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So we just pulled up to one of the main Lake Pukaki freedom camps.
Number one.
And it's full of circus.
Travelling circus.
Yeah, the circus is here, so it's a bit busy. And
Extravaganza.
Loads of odd fans, like, oh, you can't really see. No.
Shall I go back
I think we'll go to one of the other ones, where it's quieter.
My front end, how close am I to the edge?
Fairly close now.
So what should I do?
So straighten your wheels and go straight back. So this is our new spot that we've found. Only problem is a lot of it's unlevel. And right on the edge. So we found a spot further in, which is a bit more level. There's literally no one here. So beautiful here. So this is how we get level. Got a couple of these levelers, heavy duty ones. We're actually going to reverse onto them this time. Okay, you can reverse. A little bit more. Perfect.
Okay. So there's a bit of a mish getting down here, but we're down here. Look at that. And there's nobody. The road's there and there's like the odd car every 20 minutes. And Aoraki Mount Cook's over there. Beautiful.
Just going for a little walk from the campsite. So we're just up there.
A little walk.
Down to the lake.
Oh, it looks flat, isn't it?
Further than it looks. We might bring our kayaks down here as well. Get in.
No, it's hot. When we was at Ngātawa Domain near Wellington, a freedom camp, we met a lovely couple called Ali and Phil in their big bus, puddled up, and we got chatting that night, kept in touch, and they said, they live near Twizel, they said, oh, if you're ever in or near Twizel, drop us a message and we'll catch up. Lovely. So we pulled up in, I was like, oh, wait a minute, we're near Twizel. So I messaged Ali and I was like, oh, we're busy for the next couple of days. She's like, right, well, bringing you my car. I was like, oh, you don't need to do that. We can just stay here. 10 minutes later, oof, we have a car. Bless them. So she's left us one of their cars for a couple of days to mosey around so we don't have to take the van. And then we're going to catch up with them at the weekend. How lovely is that? Just so sweet. Goodness.
for a kayak this morning. So peaceful, quiet and calm.
So the weather's changed a little bit from this morning. It's got a bit overcast. It was really nice and hot earlier, so we've just been hunkering down in the van. And another camper's here. How dare they? Yeah, Tom's still determined to go out and catch a fish though, so I think he's going to take the kayaks out later and see what they can see.
My first cast from the kayak. Wait and see if we get any bites. Might have got a fish. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I've got a fish. Woo! Got a fish. Now, here we go. Oh my god. Oh, what is it? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Oh my god. Coming out, coming out. Oh my god. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe someone can tell me. Beautiful though. So that's me done for the evening. Caught one fish, nearly caught another. It's getting dark. Jordan's probably worried about me. So, yeah. Oh, hat hair. Yeah, chuffed with that. Fish for dinner tonight. So it was salmon that I caught. And cooked it. So I thought it was either salmon or rainbow trout or trout. Jordan's got his fresh salmon. And taste a bit. Nice.
I've just woken up. Gorgeous day at Pukaki, Lake Pukaki. And there, oh, there's a horde of flies. And there is Tom. He woke up early and I was like, oh, let me have a lay in, and he must have thought, no, I'm going to go out fishing, which is nice. So I've just made a coffee, I'm just having a tidy up, air in the bed. So my mum taught me that every day when you wake up, pull your sheet right back to air the bed before you make it. I can't really remember why, but that's what I do. And then I'm going to go into Twizel using our friend's car to duck to the post office. Hope he catches the fish. Oh, I just love it here. Obsessed with it.
Morning. So I thought I'd come for a morning kayak and a morning fish. And the sun's just come out. It's pretty early, like 7 o'clock or something. And Jordan's still in bed. And it's just so peaceful out here. It was really moody this morning, but now it's clearing right up. But I haven't caught anything this morning.
Making up my cleaning spray. So we don't use any chemicals at all in this van, and we never really did either when we had houses. So that's with the toilet cassette as well. We use oxygen bleach powder, so completely natural. For cleaning sprays, we've always done this. We use white vinegar, some essence of something like pure vinegar, some essence of something like eucalyptus, and a bit of water. Yeah, totes natural, and it works and makes the van smell nice.
absolutely stunner of a day here.
Beautiful.
Been sunbathing outdoors all day. I think we've caught the sun, a bit too much sun really, but we're having a barbie. So Jordan's got his meat burgers, I've got my veggie burgers on the go.
And I don't think we'll leave.
No, we've been here for 3-4 nights so far, and we've fallen in love with it, haven't we?
Yeah. And ducked into Twizel, which is really expensive.
Yeah.
But apart from that,
Been out on the kayak loads, been fishing,
been swimming.
yeah, went for a dip. Just love it. So might stay for a couple more nights. Got some tequila for our spicy margaritas.
You're making it.
Yeah, I think we'll just sit out here and watch the sunset tonight. Stunner of a night, and we've pretty much been the only ones here this whole time. Like, people come and go, but they're not close or anything. Like, there's some people over there. It's like our own private campground. It's amazing.
We're still here, we're not leaving. Well, we are.
Hello.
I think we woke up at normal time today, about 8:30, and got quite an early night last night, didn't we, actually?
Yeah.
And we was really, really tired. I think the sun does it to you, and margaritas. But it's a beautiful day today. Tommy's just doing some photo bits quickly. We've done a workout this morning, had a tidy up around the van. It's going to be a hot one, so I'm just doing a bit of a barbie. Then I think we're going to go out on the kayaks. Tommy will do some fishing. And we've decided now, heading to Mount Cook Monday morning, straight to Mount Cook, straight to Thar, to one of our favourite dock camps. I think it's called White Horse Hill Dock Camp. Last time we were there it was covered in snow, so excited. So no bites yet. Somebody's stopped right next to our van, which has made us paranoid. A person on a bike. But this is gorgeous, so peaceful. We have unhitched because just there, you're not going to see it, and I don't know how to zoom. How do I zoom? There are two Australasian grebes. I think that's the proper name. And they're only found on the South Island, and it's a pair, a mating pair, I imagine, because they're doing all this dancing and like singing to each other. I can't get close to them, but they're absolutely gorgeous. If I don't get footage, I'll put a photo in of what they look like. They're gorgeous. Every time I get a bit closer, they just swim off or float off or whatever, and I don't want to disturb them too much. Beautiful. I don't actually know where Tom's gone. Might go and find him. So apparently it's actually quite hard to get a fish from Lake Pukaki. Now that sounds like really silly, but apparently actually it is, and that's some locals told us that. So Tom's been out maybe 5 times and caught one. I hope he gets a couple, at least a couple today.
Got something.
Yay! Let's hope for a big salmon. Something big and edible. Oh! You lost it.
So I've just made some tortellini, cheese and bacon I think, with nice salad on the side.
Beautiful.
And we're just sitting outside, enjoying the sun, the glorious sun.
And Tommy's just in his pants, which is fantastic.
And I'm half naked.
He was naked.
Yeah, there we go. Hey, so we're just having a few wines, a little bit tipsy.
Hi.
Having a lovely night. Let's just take you outside. The sun has just set and it's just so peaceful. We've just been dancing, boogieing.
Hi. Yeah, it's lovely here.
Hi Kim.
We don't want to leave too. How long have we been here now? 5 nights?
5 nights, yeah. We're definitely going to come back. This is like one of our favourite camp spots.
And I've been into Twizel a couple of times, and even though the 2 squares that are really quite expensive, it's a nice little sleepy town when it's this time of year. There's not many tourists. It's nice. I like it. I like it a lot.
But the views, I mean, you can't beat these views. And the quiet, the silence here.
If you should bow down, let it be to a lofty mountain. That's you. It's meant to be Mount Cook. And
thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us in our next video where we stay for a week around the stunning Mount Cook.